Hello everyone, my name is Imran and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial we are going to talk about how to add text and image side by side in WordPress. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a new page, and once you create a new page, at the right you will see the block option. Just click on this. Here you just need to search for media and text, and this is the option which we were looking for. Click on this. Here you can upload your own image or you can go with the media library. I'm going with this one. I'm going to select this guitar, click on select, and here we have an image right now, and now we are going to add text at the right. Obviously you can do editing as well, so I'm going to do this medium and bold. So this is one of the way which you can do. The second way is to create a column. I'm going to do that. I'm going to click a block, search for column, and add that. Once you click on that, you will see that how many columns you want. It depends on you. I'm going with this one, and once you create that, you can see that the first column is over here. I'm going to click on plus and click on image, and here I'm going to select media library again. I'm going to select a guitar again and click on select. Once you do that, you can see this is the column right now, and obviously at the right we can enter our content. So you can see over here we got the content over here now, and obviously you can do the editing of this as well. From the right you have the properties of both sections. So that's it. This is how you can do it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.